So this is Evo, end of 2021 season. We're gonna start tearing into it and see how far we get. Got some Aero parts laying around that just never made their way on. So let's start. So these fenders are definitely going to take quite a bit of work to get. Like decent body line fitment there. I'm like just inside the fiberglass. And the hood lines up like trash. It can kind of be made to work, but that's not as bad as before. Kind of got this closer. Before it was way short. I think we'll get the hood okay. We'll have to add a little fiberglass, get it looking decent. And we're lining up here okay, which is decent, but like basically from here down is tons of issues. Lining up bad here, hitting on the inside against the frame rail, which is whatever. I want this in as tight to the frame rail to get all this air out, but here's where the bolt's supposed to go. Here's there, and you can't even force it there. So it just feels like you're gonna snap the fiberglass, so probably gonna have to do something, cut it and make this work. Be a lot of fitting work to get this to line up, because if I get it closer to the bolt up, we're just pulling a huge gap here. So there'll be a little bit of body work to get this to line up, but I'm gonna try just fit the skirt, get an idea what it's gonna look like for next year. So this is it. Skirt's test fitted. It fit awesome. Fender's gonna need a bunch of work, but this gives an idea of how it's gonna look. Okay, it's been one night for me to think this over and decide what I wanted to do with this fender. And game plan now is I marked it out here, and we're just gonna cut the whole bottom of this fender off and just build a separate piece that's actually attached to the unibody that'll come in, help get more of the air out, and save us a lot of body work time. So let's cut up this fender. No turning back now. Okay, so I tried to leave a little bit of this tab on this end. So if I can mount it with that, just keep it a little more sturdy. But let's just see how this fits now. That's gonna be so awesome. I wrapped up this side, got the skirt mounted, cut the bracket out from the inner fender there, so we have room to make our new panel. Fender is fully fitted, got it fitting pretty good. It's not too bad. It'll look good after paint. A little bit of body work still just to make it look really nice. And I just have to move my bumper quick release on, but that'll be it for this one.